Hey guys, DTwo here. So this is a bit of an addendum to the Varus video. Just wanted to go over the math on how I came up with when her ultimate Venom would be lethal. And it's kind of fun to come up with, so I figured I might share it with you. So if you have like a normal ability like Execute, and you want to visualize it, I'm going to draw a health bar here. So say this right side is the amount of HP that you've lost. We'll call it LHP. And the amount that is remaining is going to be RHP. Now, in order to figure out when something is lethal, you multiply whatever percentage of damage it's going to do times the lost HP, and when that's lethal is when it's equal to or greater than, but we're just going to say equal to the remaining HP. Right, so that's pretty simple. Now, for Varus's case, it's actually a little bit different because her base damage is dealt before the percentage kicks in, right? Like, I've tested it, and that's just how the ability works. So how you would figure that out for her is you have this LHP, right, on the right side, and you have RHP, and then the damage is subtracted first. So say, for instance, we're going to assume that it's the level 3 Venom that you get at level 12, right? So say this line here, from here to here, this amount of HP is her remaining HP minus 600, because that's the base damage on a level 3 Venom. So this is RHP minus 600. Now that makes this LHP plus 600. So now that changes our equation to X times LHP plus 600 equals RHP minus 600. And the reason why is because, again, you subtract the base damage first, and then you want to know at what point is this percentage damage X going to be lethal. So you have to take the number afterward, right? And then you use the fact that the total HP is equal to LHP plus RHP. And then you do a little algebra. I can't write, but you know what I'm saying. You do a little algebra, and then you solve for the remaining HP. And then in the end, you get RHP equals X times HP plus 600, and then close parentheses, and plus another 600, and then divide that all by 1 plus X. And then you could just plug in HP numbers and plug in the percent damage from X and see at what health you would be for it to be lethal. And this is going to come out a raw number, so then you'd have to divide whatever raw number it is over the HP, and then that gives you the percentage amount. So that's how you figure out what percentage at which the Venom would be lethal. And then just for fun, you can do a similar thing to figure out how much it's going to be lethal with Fenrir's Tooth. The only difference is that you want to multiply. First of all, this number ends up becoming 780 because 600 times 130% is 780. And then you multiply the entirety of the lost percentage, or sorry, you multiply X times 1.3. And then in the end, what that comes out to is RHP equals 1.3X times HP plus 780, and then close parentheses, plus another 780, can't write, and then on the bottom, 1 plus 1.3x. So then you plug your numbers in again, and you get the ridiculous numbers that I got with Fenrir's Tooth, where you're killing squishies from like 40%, and you're killing tanks from like 33%. So I thought that was kind of fun. And yeah, so if you want to do your own math in the future, maybe have this kind of like visual thinking, kind of thinking about it, conceptually like that, and you can figure out other ways to calculate how much damage or how much something's going to do in the game of Reign of Valor. That's it for me. My voice is pretty much gone by this point, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.